Okay, we're at the back of the property now. So you can see it's probably about an acre that's been fenced off and horses have been able to be kept up here. We turn around here, we have a couple of old sheds, good for storage. You can see lots of beautiful trees. You can hear the wildlife, all the birds chirping. And we'll walk now back to the front of the block. So you have got access via a road to get up to the back. So we'll just wander down that road. Just beautiful and peaceful. Okay, and we come to the little creek just down here. There we go. Pretty cool, your own creek. Okay. Nice little green patch here. And we come back up to the front of the house and all the sheds. So let me show you that in a minute. I've got some kennels along the back there. Got a container there, another carport. And you can see triple door garage plus plenty of room in that one. And under cover area here as well. And then next to the house is a double carport, garage. You can see the water tanks, Enviro, cycle. And that is our journey today. So if you'd like to have a look at this amazing property, give me a call.